Are you as tired of vendor finger pointing and getting the runaround as I am? The other day, I had my team testing our elevator phones, like we do every month as part of our on-site life safety checklist. The call didn't go through, and I knew I had to get our phone lines fixed ASAP. I called the phone company and they told me to call the elevator company. The elevator company came out, charged me $300 for less than an hour's worth of work, and still couldn't fix my problem. Apparently, the elevator company answers the emergency calls, but can't help with any phone line issues. So I called the phone company again, and you know the drill, I was on hold for 30 minutes, and even then they couldn't get me on the schedule for more than a month. More than a month for emergency phones. All I could think was, man, I hope our people really like taking the stairs. Then, when the phone company finally came out, they said our phone lines were working properly. So, naturally, I had my team test the phones again, and guess what? They're still not working. I chatted with Chuck, my new building engineer, and he said he's seen this before. The phone company only checked for dial tone in the phone room, but did not verify connection to the elevator. I told Chuck it just feels like no one is trying to really solve my problem. They're just trying to do a quick enough job to avoid any blame. I don't have the time or the patience for this. Chuck then told me about Kings 3, an emergency monitoring company they used for their elevators at the building he worked at prior. So he reached out to Kings 3 and got a meeting set up. Kings 3 said they'd take care of all of it, and they did just that, and then some. The best thing was, I was able to make a single phone call to get this taken care of. No coordinating multiple vendors to be on site at the same time. We all know what a pain that is. They provided everything, and I mean everything. Kings 3 replaced my emergency phone equipment, and they did it themselves. Their team came out and installed it, and my tech, Martin, couldn't have been a nicer or more helpful guy. And it's warranted, including lifetime maintenance. When's the last time you've heard of anyone doing that? They have all these extras too, like professional emergency operators who are highly trained and really take care of your people. They even spent the time to help me test my phones for code compliance. Icing on the cake? If there's ever an issue, I have just one company to call. No more finger pointing. You better believe I'm telling everyone I know to call Kings 3.